Gathered in this hall at the Government House, Port Harcourt, are representatives of corporate organizations, financial institutions, oil multinationals, construction companies, and other business entities operating in River State. Governor Nyesom Wike has invited them over to brief them on the recent High Court judgment affirming the constitutional rights of the River State government to lawfully impose and collect value-added and other related taxes.
We don't want to start implementing without carrying you along. And that for you to understand the position in case, and as we know, that these night marauders will come. When they come, they will write you later. And you too, don't think we don't know your antics by telling us that, oh, because they are writing like this and we are faced under a logjam, the headquarters is saying this. No problem. The headquarters of government will also take their own decision. It's simple as A, B, C, D. The court said this is the law until it is reversed. That's the point we're trying to make. And it was something that had a wide publicity. Every Nigerian overseas, everyone knows the position today as regards the issue of VAT concerning the court judgment.
Apart from illegally collecting the taxes, Governor Wike says the federal government, through the Federal Inland Revenue Service, has for decades shortchanged states of their entitlements.
They collected 15.1 billion in the month of June and gave to us 4.something billion. Where did 11 billion go to? They said they have a software to collect money. What is the software that I'm giving our jobs and the one deducting the money and remitting to you? What did you do? To say money for collection, for money we spend and put in the software. Whose software did you put for us here? I gave Jonas Ben a job and I'm paying them money and I'm deducting it. What does it require software? I mean, look at simple fraud. I am the one who is paying the contractor, and in paying the contractor and deducting the money, remitting to you, right? You say cost of collection. From who? Software introduction. Stop. Stop that stuff where we don't need it again. Now let me tell you, Lagos is unfortunate. Lagos is not the same party with me. It's not an issue of party. It's the issue of infraction of the Constitution. It's the issue of illegality. I don't give a damn. Every Lagos gets the whole money. That's what the law allows them to get. Well, so why should I fight that Lagos is getting money? Am I the one? Is it Lagos that prepared the Constitution? Is it Lagos State? No. So for you to come and tell me, you know, Lagos is so rich, so what? There are no two economies equal in this world. Even in America, Houston is an oil city, but the biggest economy is California. You take your own advantage. There's no two states that can be the same. Not what? Not two states. Not you can say after this is this, after this is this, in terms of this is this, in terms of this. Allow the states to be creative, to utilize the functions as provided in the Constitution and the laws for them to make their state to grow. The powers have already been devolved in the Constitution, but the federal government does not allow us. They don't want to allow us. All they want us to do every day is to come and beg, beg, beg. And I said, I will not beg. Give me what the law says I should take. Take your own. If I misappropriate my own, I'll misapply it. And then I come and beg you. You say, no. I think you're collecting your money. Why are you coming to beg us money? So look at what Lagos. In the month of June, Lagos, they collected from Lagos 46.4 billion. 46.4 billion. But see what Lagos got. Lagos got 9.3. Have you seen the justice in this country? Not a good one. We have the best. You know, some of you talk because you think that it is because we are politicians. I will not be governor forever, yeah? Will I be governor forever? The highest I have is May 29, 2023. I will go. So it is not about me. It's about the system. Wike has come. Wike will go. But let the right thing be done. That will give other states the opportunity. Now let me tell you what can produce in June. Can produce in June 2.8 billion, right? 2.8 billion. Let me tell you what they give them. Can also got 2.8 billion.
And rather than comply with the dictates of the law, the governor says the Federal Inland Revenue Service has instead resorted to every negative trick, including sabotage, to stop states from rightfully collecting value-added and other related taxes.
We were in court in 2020. Then in July 1st, 2021, you wrote to the National Assembly through the office of the Deputy Speaker of the House of Reps to amend the Constitution when we are already challenging that it is not your responsibility to collect VAT. We are already challenging it in court. You knew that what you were doing was not the right thing. You now, in 1st of July, wrote a letter through the office of the Deputy Speaker, House of Representatives, to insert VAT under the exclusive list. Look at it. Office of the Executive Chairman, FIRS. To the Deputy Speaker, House of Representatives, said, look at the request made. It requires for sponsorship of a bill for the establishment of the proposed Federal Revenue Court of Nigeria and the insertion of value-added tax under item 58 of exclusive legislative list. So you know that VAT is under the exclusive list, which is what we are challenging. You now surreptitiously to come through the back for them to amend the Constitution so that you can have VAT under your jurisdiction. So what are we arguing? You already know it is not within your purview. And that was why you wrote this letter. We didn't write. The chairman of FRS wrote this letter. He said, we already caught challenging legality or illegality of this. And you now know that indeed this is wrong. You now went in the night and wrote to the National Assembly, please help us amend it. Of course, they are dealing with intelligence people too.
And with an enabling law now in place, Governor Wike says all corporate bodies and business entities must henceforth pay their value-added tax to the River State government, warning that his administration will not hesitate to wield the big stick against all those who fail to comply.
We will not look back and we will seal up the premises of such organization. We will do that. We are going to inaugurate the Tax Appeal Commission by Friday, which is headed by a retired judge of the state, to let you know that we are very, very... And let me tell you, all this bullying, FRS, they should mind the state they are bullying. No. Tell them so. They should be very, very careful. You don't bully states like us. You don't.